I mean, look at this traffic. Look at these results. I mean, this is some wild stuff. Almost, well, no traffic to literally an explosion of traffic. Wow, that line is really thick. let's let's not make that line so thick. That's one business using this strategy. Here's another, no traffic, boom, boom, explosion. I mean, they're going for almost 2,000 plus in traffic. Here's another one. I mean, 646 clicks. They started using this process, and you can see the increase in traffic here. And this one is just pure crazy. I mean, look at this, 135,000 clicks. This traffic is taking off. I mean, crazy amount of traffic. So this is the process to get this traffic. And the proof is here. These are actual real businesses, real websites using Arvo for their SEO blogging strategy. And this is how they're doing it. They are using this tool, posting SEO optimized blogs regularly on their website, on their social media channels, sharing them out everywhere that they can. And the blog articles are so good and so SEO optimized that it's bringing in a ton of traffic, a ton of leads, a ton of clicks, a ton of clients, a ton of sales. So this is the program that I'm talking about. There is a link below. You can try this out, get 10% off using the link. But it is no joke. Every business that uses this tool regularly has seen this type of traffic explosion because it is so good and it uses the best of AI. It's better than ChatGPT because it releases articles that are fully SEO optimized that you don't have to mess with. You don't have to tweak. They are already SEO optimized. They already include all the things that matter most with getting your website and those articles ranked so that they can get traffic. So I'm going to show you the bells and whistles of this thing. So you can generate an SEO article here. You can also turn YouTube's into SEO optimized blog posts. So if you have a YouTube channel, you can literally put the link here. It'll generate an article, so then you can put it on your blog page and then repurpose that YouTube content. So that's amazing. So let me show you an example of how this works. So once you go in here, you basically, it's so simple. You can put a keyword and or a title if you already have a title in mind. If you don't, it'll create one for you. So you don't need a title. You just need the focus keyword of what you want your article to be about and be centered around. And then that's it. You don't need anything else, which is pretty wild. So this is kind of, to give you an idea, this is an article that we did for weight loss. So this is meal prep for weight loss. And you can see this is kind of how it looks on the back end. You can see how it SEO optimizes this thing because it arranges the titles, H3, H2 titles. It puts a meta description in here. It does a featured image. You can have it include internal links, external links. So this is important to link all of your pages together. So you can have it, you can upload your sitemap and have it linked to other pages or other blogs within your website to increase your overall rank, your overall authority, and have everything linked together and create your own little ecosystem where people are bouncing from one article to the other because the articles are good. They're super informative. When people are searching for stuff on Google or on ChatGPT or wherever, these articles are ranking high because they're quality articles and they give a lot of really good information. You can see here another picture. You can have it include and embed YouTube videos if you want. There's charts, graphs, very well done articles that you simply just have it generate. And then once you're good with this, you can publish it to your integration. So you can link your website to this, link your social media channel to this, and have it automatically publish to those channels. The other nice thing is you can edit this with AI. So you can change any part of this article that you don't like. You can highlight this paragraph and you can have it rewrite it. You can add keywords. You can add links. You can have it make it longer, make it shorter, make a list, make a table, rewrite it, simplify it. So you can do any of that. You can also have an AI assistant which you can ask to do anything. So you can have it rewrite the entire article, add an entire paragraph, whatever you want to do, you can have it do it. Or if you're good with this generation, which most of the times, 99% of the time, I'm good with how the article comes out because it's really good. It's really well written, very, very high quality. The other thing that you can do is you can write an article from scratch, or you can copy a link in here if there's another article somewhere else and you want to just copy the link to it and have it rewrite it. You can do that, which is pretty neat. You can set up blog automation, so you can have this set up an automation so you don't have to do anything, which is pretty crazy. So you can basically set up your feed, which has all your keywords that it's pulling from. It'll generate the articles off your feed, and then it'll publish them automatically. And you just set your frequency. If you want to publish once a day, twice a day, 3 times a day, whatever you want to do there. Or you can do the input yourself. So you can do what I just did, put the title or put the keyword that you want, set up your inputs, and then it'll pull from those inputs and generate articles from those manually generated inputs and then publish them automatically. Or you can have it do the feed, generate the articles, but it won't publish. You can look at it and then manually publish it yourself. So that's the auto blogger feature, which is hands-off option if you don't want to go in here and manually do it. So if you have a bunch of different clients if you're an AI agent or a SEO agency, you have a bunch of clients, you can set the auto blogger up, hands-off, good to go. If you're a solopreneur or a business owner, again, you can set this up and you're good to go. The other nice thing is you can create, there's a site optimizer that you can optimize your website. So basically you can create this optimizer, update your URL, and it'll analyze your entire website and tell you what to fix in terms of page SEO, page titles, page metadata, meta descriptions, so you can fully SEO optimize your entire website. So this is more than just a blogging tool. This is an SEO machine all geared to refining your website and pushing out high quality content so that you can get this type of traffic, This is what these companies are doing. This is what they are using. So you don't have to reinvent the wheel. You just have to do what they're doing. So, you know what I mean? Copy what they're doing. Which is great. So you can set up your integrations here with your website. You can set up your social media automation. The other really cool thing that you can do is you can create lead magnets, which is nuts. So this is what you can create: lead magnets and embed them in your article. So not only your blog articles will help you with SEO and help you create high quality content, they'll help you get leads. So here's one we did for a realtor. So this is kind of how it looks. So you basically set up the prompt, and the prompt is just the prompt that you want AI to go and generate. So this is the prompt: generate an appropriate home buying budget based on the user's household income input. So that's all you put, and then basically you ask what is the total household yearly income, so they know what to enter in here, and then put what you want the button to say. Click here to see your new home budget, and then you turn on the option to collect emails and subscribe to get valuable tips and insight into buying a new home. So we're going to go, this is how it looks. And again, you can just embed this. You can take this code, bring it over to your website, to that blog, and embed it in the blog or embed it in other pages in your website, whatever you want to do. But this is kind of how it will look on the front end. And then so that it's very clear, what is your total household yearly income? Click here to see your budget. So it's like most people, if they're looking for a home, they want to see, what can I afford? So they put that in, they hit generate, and it's going to give them this amazing feedback right away. Basically tell them what they can afford, why they can afford that, with the value, the precise information and the calculations done for them. So like, wow, I found this amazing blog article. It's giving me this information. I'm a new home buyer. Now it has this interactive tool inside the blog telling me what I can afford. So I'm certainly going to put in my email address here because they already have the know, like, and trust. You already wowed them with the content and this interactive tool. So why would I not give them my email? You're giving them everything up front. and then it'll put your leads in a CSV file. So then you can take the CSV file and upload it to your CRM and then market to them later with your product, service, whatever you want to do. So this is why this tool is fantastic for growing your business, growing your traffic. And if you're not using this tool, you're really missing out. And your competition is going to start using it, and they're going to start stomping you. So in order to get ahead of your competition, use this tool now, get ranked super high, and then it's going to be nearly impossible for anyone to catch up to you. But that's the process. That's the tool that I wanted to show for you. There is a link below so you can try it. You get 10% off if you use the code below, but it's going to blow you away. And I recommend using it ASAP before your competition starts using it for sure. But check it out. You won't regret it.